Now that you've found the perfect home with the awesome kitchen, let's go cooking. Okay, it's another episode of Kim's Kitchen and Cooking with Kim. Hey Kim, what are we cooking today?
Cashew chicken on top of jasmine rice.
Oh, beautiful. Today it's cashew chicken. Here's the recipe. You can click the link below for all of our recipes stored for you. So for the ingredients, we're using some skinless breast tenderloins. Get some sugar snap peas, cashews, red onion, some minced garlic, using some soy sauce, some Haitian sauce, and sesame oil. Gonna have some salt, pepper, some cornstarch, chicken broth, and some brown sugar also. And that's your ingredients. It'll take a little time to snap in all the peas, but they're gonna be delicious, and you cook them solid just like that. Now she's snapped all her beans, cut up our onions and the chicken, and cooking the rice now. Do you use any certain kind of rice?
I like this jasmine rice.
Any particular reason?
It's what the recipe said to use.
There you go. So we're using the wok again. It's really nice, easy cleanup and such. Going to use some sesame oil and grapeseed oil. Can get hotter than regular oil for high heat cooking, which helps everything kind of get crispy.
There's grapeseed oil in the pan because we're going to put the chicken in here in a minute to cook with the cashews, and you don't want the chicken to stick.
When you put the chicken in and
Start with cashews.
With the cashews?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a nice sound. That gets everything nice and crispy. So now we've got all the ingredients in there, bubbling real nice. And Kim is making a slurry.
Cornstarch slurry.
Cornstarch slurry. Kind of thickens everything, coagulates everything together. And just keep on stirring. So we're finishing it up, Kim is, and I helped along the way, did a little chopping, did a little measuring, but for the most part, I stay out of the way. That's the best thing. Okay, and what you got cooking now?
I've got onions, garlic, ginger powder, and the sugar snap peas. And I'm getting ready to put the chicken back in.
Very nice. The beans give it a nice color.
Yep.
So here we go. We've got a bat of rice. Pour it right on over. Oh, looks delicious. It smells really good. I could smell it out on the porch. So there's our cashew chicken. This entire dish, and there's a little bit more in there, 2 big helpings. This was probably less than $12, and some of the ingredients we'll use multiple times. So bon appetit. Looks delicious.
That's another edition of Kim's Kitchen.